Make a great choice today with the 2024 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, universal garage door opener, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, towing package, heated rear seat, heated outside mirrors. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.